Hello everyone, today I'm going to go to Kyoto with my host brother, Kachan. I have bought the ticket of Shinkansen already. Yeah, and let's go! And now I'm finishing eating my lunch and we're going to go to somewhere, but I don't know where is it. I'll tell you later in my clips. But let's go! We walk about 1 hour and a half of minutes to get on top of the train. It's really tired. I hurt my legs, but the wheels on the top of the train is really good. You guys should visit here once in a life. We are taking a bus to Kinkaku Tera, which is Golden Temple in Kyoto. It's really famous there, and I can't wait to see it. You guys, it's really cold out here. You can see my outfit right now. I look like a bear. Yeah, but there's nothing gonna stop me from traveling. Bye bye, see you on the other place. There's a lot of people wearing kimono out here, and I really want to wear it, but the price is very high. I can't get out of crowded place right now, and honestly I think Kyoto is really beautiful city and I want you guys to see it, so I'm gonna take a lot of picture and show it to you. So let's go. last, I'm gonna drop my pictures that I shooted while traveling. So I hope you guys like it, and thank you for watching my videos.